To add input into the public input database, you usually want to use issues. You can use forums too to have conversations with people, but issues help make it easier to keep track. So first select New Issue. Now to do this, you have to be logged in. So you can see that I'm logged in on top here. Otherwise, you won't be able to get to this screen. When this screen comes up, you have a choice of what's called the tracker. The tracker is the type of issue that you want to enter. So for example, I'm going to be entering something about process, but I could also put in anything about one of these CDPs. And my issue is going to be add instructional videos. And I'm going to say add some videos to explain the database. I have a choice of a number of text formatting and other options, which I'm not using right now. I could also add in a file. There's a bunch of fields down here that I don't really need to use. The only one that's important is I would select which process type it is. Or if it's the case of a CDP, I would select the CDP process type, or the CDP type. I can add in files. But really, this is all I have to do. Hit create. So it takes a little bit of time. Once I've done this, this issue is now available in the issue list. When I want to change it, I can go to add, I can select it on that list, and then I would select update. Now one thing that you should look at that's not that clear, over here it brings up what's there, and on update there's a little thing right here that says change properties, and you select where it says more. That brings up the subject and the description. So what I can do is I can add something like the public input. I can also preview my changes before I put them in. So now you can see it says public input database. I select submit, and I'm done. Now the new issue's in there. So have fun and enter lots of meaningful public input.